Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record 4K video on HONOR Magic8 Lite. To do it, you'll need to open the camera, of course, then go to video mode. Now you can simply tap the resolution at the top. By default, it's set to 1080p, which is just okay, but if you want to record in 4K, just tap on it, and it switches to 4K right away. You can tap on it again to set it to 720, which is HD. It's the lowest one available here, 1080p or 4K. You can also change the FPS, but it's not available in 4K. The FPS can be changed in 1080p, I believe. Yeah, it can be set to 60 or 30. I'll leave it on 4K, and you can now record your videos. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.